Lenovo P2 smartphone was launched in September 2016. The phone comes with a 5.50-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels at a PPI of 401 pixels per inch. Lenovo P2 price in India starts from Rs. 12,999. The Lenovo P2 is powered by 2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 processor, and it comes with 3 GB of RAM. The phone packs 32 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 128 GB via microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Lenovo P2 packs a 13-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 5-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Lenovo P2 runs Android 6.0 and is powered by a 5100 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 153.00 by 76.00 by 8.20, height x width x thickness, and weigh 177.00 grams. The Lenovo P2 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts micro SIM and regular. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG, FM, 3G and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope.